Welcome back to Hippo Origami Show. Today I'm going to fold the Buster Sword designed by me a few months ago. The reason why I'm redoing this video is because it came to my attention that my hands were in the way for a whole portion of the video. So here's a remake. Hopefully you'll be able to follow up. So first, take a square piece of paper, fold the two main diagonals. Open it up. Now, fold these two corners to the center. Once you have that, you want to fold these edges to the center as well. But you don't want to go completely center because the model gets a little bit thick, and if you go directly on the center crease, you're going to have it ripped out here like I did before. So leave about, let's say, 1 millimeter of space between the center crease and your fold. Same thing on the other side. Once you have that, open it up, or open one side up, and fold this edge to the new crease. And this edge to this new crease. This is to have a lock to lock the model together in the end, or the tip of the model together after we're done the handle. Fold this back, pull this corner to the center crease. One more time, fold this edge to the center of the page. We're doing this to have our guides to fold the handle. One more time, fold this edge to the center of the page. Open it all up. Now, we're going to fold this in half to give it some strength. Count from the center crease to the first crease here. 1, 2. You want to fold this downwards, like this. It'll give you a slight gap here, and this point should match the corners here on both sides. Fold along the second crease here. Fold upwards. You should have a zigzag here. You want to fold along the diagonal from here to this location here, using the center crease. This is going to be tricky. Fold it up a little bit and try to land these two edges together. Then fold this diagonal. You want to do the same thing on the other side as well. If you open it up, you can see that the crease pattern looks like this. It's just a simple error. Once you have that, you close it up, and it will look like this. So this is our blade, and a 90 degrees turn for the handle. Now it's the hard part. You're going to try to fold this crease so it's 1/3 along the base of the blade here. So reverse fold, grabbing all your layers, and try to push it so that you get 1/3. It's going to be a little bit more than the intersection of this edge and the new crease that we created. See, right now we're almost half, a little bit more, and we should be able to get it right, like this. Then you press on it to get that 45 degrees parallel to the crease that we created before. You use this as a guide. Same here. So when you open it up, it's 2 arrows. 1, 2. Close it up. You get the blade handle like this. Next, we're going to fold this edge to this new crease here. This would divide this base in 2, and our handle will be 1/3 of our entire blade. But before we do that, we need to fold this so that we have a slight crease here, and reverse fold. So you see that, right? I just squashed it all in. Then you take this part, match this edge to this edge here. At the same time, reversing this crease here. You should be able to stretch the entire, reverse fold on this one. The reason why I'm saying on this one, because the other side will be a little bit more difficult. Not my most handy work. Okay, we'll just keep it at that. Once you have this, this is the hardest part of the entire model. You're going to do this, just simply brush this side inwards and have it fold into here. This would lock our handle together. I don't know if it's clear enough. So, if you look at the crease pattern, it's simply a straight line here. So, collapse it, and then open the reverse fold, fold it straight up, and squish. We're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Well, not really repeat. We're just going to brush this side inwards so that it matches. It'll naturally make a squash fold out of this corner here. Once you have that, squish it. This would lock the hilt together. Now the rest is simple. All you have to do is take this extra piece, fold it inwards, and for the remaining of this blade, the handle, take this corner, fold it to where this is, but do not cross it. I mean like this. The reason why it could be slightly longer than without touching it is because we're going to shove this corner here to hold it together, and that is the handle of our blade. Then this looks ugly because it's open. We're we're just going to take this flap that we created before, push it in, then it locks together. Now we want to reinforce all the folds so that it's relatively flat. And that is the Buster Sword from Final Fantasy VII, designed by me, Wilson Lee. I hope this tutorial is clear enough. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't yet, please share this with the world by giving me a like. Thank you. See you next time.